We are continuing the exact, inshallah, in this class, exact differential equations. In the next time, we have already done two questions on this methods. If the equation is not in the exact form nor homogeneous, then we try for this. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x by n. Suppose this is f of x alone. That means we get only x value, not y. Then integral factor will be e to the power of integration f of x dx. If this case is not possible, then we can try for this. Dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y by m. We should get this in y alone. We should get only y, not x. The term should be in only y. Then integral factor will be e to the power of integration f of y dy. We already did two questions on this method. Let me do some more questions on this method. Okay. Now I wrote one question. See here. The value of m is, now compare this is m and this is n. So I wrote m. Now let me find dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y. Differentiation with respect to y. Dou m by dou y. Now watch carefully. Here we are multiplying y. Here also y. Here also y. So you have to use uv. You write 3x square as it is. Now this is d by dx of uv. D by dx of uv is u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. U यानी y cube u d by dx of v. D by dx of e power y will be e power y plus v. V means e power y. Now d by dx of u, d by dx of y cube will be 3y squared. D by dx of y cube will be 3y squared. 3y squared bracket plus d by dx of y cube will be 3y. No, we have not completed. No, 3x squared the u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u, yeah, plus d by dx of y cube will be 3y squared. Now d by dx of y squared is 2y. Now you do one thing, you multiply this one, dou m by dou y. Now if you multiply this, you will get 3x square y cube e power y. 3x square into y cube e power y plus 3 3s are 9 e power y x square y square plus 3y square plus 2y. So this is dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y. Now let me see what is n. We are having n equals to x cube y cube e power y minus xy. Now let me find dou n by dou x with respect to x. So x cube will be 3x square. So this will be 3x square y cube e power y. D by dx of x will be 1. 1 into y will be y. Now these two are not equal. Therefore we can say that dou m by dou y is not equals to dou n by dou x. So it is not homogeneous. Let me try in the above two cases. See, let me do one thing. Let me try for dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by m. Let me see what will happen. Let me try for this dou m by, first we take, yeah, dou m by dou y. No, let me try for dou n by dou x. Let me try. Let me try for dou n. Sorry, I'm trying for this dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y divided by, we'll have m. If it's not possible, you can see the other. Now dou n by dou x we are having here. Dou n by dou x is 3x square y cube e power y minus y. This is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y means multiply this with minus, multiply this with minus, multiply this with minus. So you will get minus 3x square y cube e power y minus 9 e power y x square y square minus 3y square minus 2y. So this is dou n by dou y minus dou m, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y divided by m. So the value of m, the value of m is 3x square y cube e power y plus y cube plus y square. Now let me solve this one. You see here, I think this is the same. We can cancel 3x² y cube e power y minus 3x². These two terms are same. We can cancel. Now you do one thing. I'm writing this first. Minus, what is here? We are having minus 9 e power y x² y square minus 3y square. 3y square. No, minus 2y minus 5 will be minus 3y divided by, let me take some common here. We can take common in this. You see here, we can take y square common. If you take y square common, what is left here? 3x² y e power y plus we taken y cube, y square common, so y plus 1. In the numerator also, let me take minus 3y common. If we take minus 3y, what is left here? It is left with 3 e power y x square. We have taken already y also common. No, 1y will be left here. Y, because we have taken minus common, it will be plus 3y, means y is left minus, plus we have taken 3y common, plus 1 divided by y square into 3x² y e power y plus y plus 1. Now you see these two are same. We can cancel this one. Now y and square will cancel. Now what is left here? Equals to minus 3 divided by y. Now you got this in y alone. This we suppose as f of y. We get this in y alone. So we can find now the integral factor. Now let me find integral factor. The integral factor is e to the power of integration f of y dy. E to the power of integration f of y is this one, f of y. Take out minus 3 outside, 1 by y dy. E to the power of minus 3. Integration of 1 by x is log x, so this will be log y. Now e and log will get cancelled, but we have to take out minus 3 from here. If we take out minus 3 here, you will get here, this is like this. E to the power of log y power minus 3. Now e log will get cancelled, therefore integral factor equals to y power minus 3. This can be written as 1 by y cube. Now we have to multiply the entire question with 1 by y cube. So let me multiply 3x² y cube e power y by, we are multiplying with y cube, 1 by y cube plus y cube by y cube plus y square by y cube dx plus, here also let me multiply x³ y cube e power y by y cube minus xy by y cube dy equals to 0. Now let me cancel this y cube, what is left here? 3x² e power y plus this will get cancelled, 1 plus, if you cancel this, it is left with 1 by y dx plus, now cancel this one, you left with x³ e power y minus, if you cancel, you left with x divided by y square dy equals to 0. Now let me consider again this one as m1, this one as n1. So m1 we are having 3x² e power y plus 1 by y. Now let me see whether it changes to exact or not. Do m1 by do y find out. Now d by dx of e power y will be e power y, 3x² e power y. This will be 0, this will be constant 0. Now d by dx of 1 by x will be minus 1 by x square. So this will be minus 1 by y square. Now let me see this one, n1 equals to x³ e power y minus x by y square. Now differentiate this one, do n1 by do x. Now see, x³ will be 3x square, so this will be 3x square e power y. D by dx of x will be 1, so this will be 1 by y square. Now both are same, see. Therefore, now it is exact form, dou m1 by dou y equals to dou n1 by dou x. Now we are having the formula for this. What is the formula? Integration of m1 dx plus integration of n1 dy equals to c. Here we take y constant, here we take y constant, here we take terms which do not contain x. terms which do not contain x. So let me change this integration of m1. What is m1 here? 3x square e power y minus 1 by y square dx plus integration of, sorry, we should take the value of n which do not contain x. You see here, this also contain x value, this also contain x value, so we do not have any value. So let me take 0 dy equals to c. Now leave this 0. Now come here. We are integrating with respect to x. Consider y as constant. Y as constant. So integration of x square, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be x power 2 plus 1, 3. X power 3 by 3. 3 into x power 3 by 3. You write e power y as it is minus. Now here we have to integrate with respect to x. So integration of 1 will be x. We are not integrating y square, right? Y square as it is. Integration of 1 is x. So this will be x by y square equals to c. Now what will happen if we cancel this? We can write this x cube e power y minus x divided by y square, x divided by y square equals to c. Or if we want to solve, we can solve, we can take common x here. So if you take LCM, y square into x square will be x square y square e power y minus 1. You can bring this y square here equals to c into y square. We can left anywhere, we can leave here also, finish, or you can leave here. X I have taken common. What is left here? X square is left. So if we take LCM, y square into x square y square e power y, because we taken common x, left with 1. So this y square brought here, so this will be c into y square. See here, I did a little mistake here. The value of m1 we have taken wrong. Okay, let me change. The value of m1 is 3x square e power y plus 1 plus 1 by y. So let me change this one. This is 0 as it is. Okay, let me change the steps. Once more, we have taken the value of m1 wrong. Actually m1 is 3x square e power y plus 1 plus 1 by y. So now that we integrate this one, now what is the formula? 3 into integration of x square will be x cubed by 3 into e power y as it is. Integration of 1 with respect to x will be x plus integration of 1 will be x. So this will be x by y equals to c. This is 0. You cancel this 3 3. Okay, if we take y, or you can leave here itself just to take x common. What is left here? X square e power y plus 1 by y equals to c. We can leave anywhere, sorry, we can leave anywhere. Okay, this is the answer.